Let's also give this makeover a 30-year-old Speedy Louis Vuitton bag. So the handle niya is really brown. So let's give her a makeover as well. Before, ganyan siya. And after, diba, much better. Alam mo, when you go to their doctor, around $100. Just to restore yung Louis Vuitton. But if you can do yourself naman, by yourself, why not? Diba, ikaw nang gumawa. It's really dark na siya, brown na siya. Kailangan na may makeover. Para ka na sa art school. No? Nakakatuwa rin, nakaka-happy siya. Nahandle lang naman ang problem kasi na-darken siya, oil stain. Diba yung handle niya, no?
Later that same evening.
Guys, look at my Speedy na. Let's brand new. Yun lang nga, meron siya mga, well, it's the personality of my bag now. It's been a long time with me. Ayan siya. See? I love it. Acrylic gloss. Ayan. Para lang maging glossy siya and protection as well for your bag. See? Looks brand new again. Super love it. That is you. Pala hindi ko nalagyan, pero sige lang. Important sa akin yung handle. Let it dry. My makeover restored my vintage Louis Vuitton Speedy. Look at these guys. This is the after. Look at the product, guys. Yes, I'm so happy with the result. It's so easy. Okay.